Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start with the second part of the lesson, reviews of Python. What we are going to do in this reviews of Python, we are going to concentrate on iterative statements. So till now you all have learned about what is iteration. Iteration means repetitively doing the same work with the regular interval. Okay, suppose I want to do a multiplication table of say 5. So 5 is going to be constant. Every time what is going to get changed is the value multiplied with 5, that is 1, then 2, then 3. So sequentially it is getting incremented by 1 till 10. So you are doing a repetitive iteration. So here also in pandas you are having the method called as iterative methods, through which you can do repetitive work with the very short line of a code. So iterating pandas data frame, here it explains you the row of a data frame. We do this by calling it_rows method on data frame and print row labels in row data, where row is the entire pandas series. So this it_rows, that is it_rows, it is the short form abbreviation for iterations, is used to iterate over the pandas data frame. So it becomes very easy that how many times and for how many index number you want to keep it on iterating. Okay, on the screen you can see the example of iterations. Next is manipulating pandas data frame. What do you mean by manipulating? Manipulation means doing some sort of addition, deletion, manipulation, calculation with the data frames, that is the data inside the frame. So if you want to do manipulation, you have different methods. So one by one we'll be seeing the methods. Okay, which all are the manipulations? One is doing with the help of index. So if you want to do a data frame manipulation with the help of index, you have to just take out the indices. Okay, stack returns a series whose indices consist of row column pairs of original data frame. If data frame has multi-level index, stack increases the index level. Okay, so this is about data frames. Next is doing manipulation using loc. What is it? Pandas provide a unique method to retrieve rows from a data frame. Data frame loc method is a method that takes only one index at a time. Okay, so this loc method in pandas, which means that we have to specify the name of a rows and columns that we need to filter out. For example, let's say we search for the row whose index is 1, 2 or 100 and labels written rows of data frame if the index label exists in the caller data frame. Okay, so that is about using loc. In the example you can see how it has been referred with the help of loc method. So here you can do manipulation using loc, that is location number, location index. Next is using assign method. What is this assign method? See, this assign method assigns the new column to the data frame, returning the new object a copy with the new column added to the original ones. Existing columns that are been reassigned will be overwritten. So this assign method is used to assign the values to the new column, the new cell which has been created using pandas. Okay, so that is about assign method. Here you can see in the picture that you can assign the methods. There is a sales, there is expenses, and remaining is the profit. So you can do the manipulation calculations and you can assign the values in the new column. So new column will get created and the values will get assigned. Next one is using insert method. Now what is using insert method? See, using single list or a list of outputs, you can detect the single method. Okay, with the help of this index method, what has been done? With the help of this index method, the data is been retrieved. In order to check missing values in pandas data frame, we use functions, that is null, not null. Both functions help in checking whether a value is nan or not, that is not null and is null. Can be used in panda series in order to find null values in the series. Okay, so that is about Which method? Index method. You can see in the picture. Okay, now students, what activity you are supposed to do is, you are just going to read the lesson pandas, the very first lesson from your syllabus. It is not that difficult, it is easy. What just you need to do is, you need to read the lesson. Okay, follow the notes. If you have a difficulty, you have to ask me on WhatsApp. Till now, I have not got a single query from you all. Expecting this, that you all have understood everything, or you have not understood anything. Okay, have a good day. Take care. Bye.